Chicken koftas are a delicious, high-protein meal that uses succulent chicken mince, seasoned with a blend of fresh herbs and a trio of spices that'll make your kitchen smell like a spice bazaar. We're also going to whip up an easy, creamy tahini garlic dip to serve them with. Whether you're wrapping these koftas in a warm pita bread or serving them with a side of hummus and tabbouleh, this dish is a crowd pleaser that is sure to bring everyone to the table with smiles. Sounds good? This is how you make it. One of the best things about this recipe is the prep is a total doddle. So you get your food processor and you add your chicken mince and your breadcrumbs. These help to retain moisture, along with a half teaspoon of oregano, some fresh parsley, some cinnamon, and then a teaspoon of cumin. I'm using dried mint here, but if you've got fresh mint, use that. And then a half teaspoon of salt, some garlic, and finally you're going to crack one egg into it and then just season it with some black pepper. Then all you need to do is just pop the lid on it and give it a good blitz for 10 seconds or so, just to make sure everything is nicely combined, and then empty the contents out onto a chopping board or a plate. And then just roll the mixture into 4 koftas and thread onto a skewer. For cooking, you can do these in the grill, air fryer, barbecue, whatever. Just make sure they're thoroughly cooked through and you turn them throughout the cooking. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. Now to make this tahini sauce, we're going to use yogurt, tahini, garlic, the juice of a lemon, and then a little bit of warm water just to stop it being too thick. And then you just blitz that up. You can add more water if you want it thinner, or less if you want a really thick sauce. Then after those koftas are cooked, you can see I've got the nice char lines because I did it on the barbecue. Give it a squeeze of lemon, some parsley, and just serve it with that dip and get stuck in. So there we go, homemade chicken koftas. I mean, it looks absolutely delicious. Super easy to make, brings a bit of sunshine to your dinner table. And these would be amazing in summer if you've got some friends around for a barbecue. Like I said, I cook these on the barbecue. You could easily do them in the air fryer, you could grill them, you could pan fry them, super flexible. But if you want the whole recipe, as always, it's inside my recipes app. If you just click the link below, you can download it right now and get this recipe along with 4 other brand new Middle Eastern ones we've just uploaded, because we're uploading new recipes each month in themed packs, and this month is Middle Eastern recipes. So hope you enjoy this one. I'm off to go eat it and I'll speak to you later. I get plenty of this tahini dip. So good.